back to my class. We have Igbo language. Still on our topic, preposition. Inside it, we are going to look into a topic that says inside. Class or say inside. Yes, in Igbo, inside means n'ime. Again, n'ime. You can see different two objects. This is a cup and this is a plate. You can find out that the cup is inside the plate. Ị ga-ahụ na iko a dị n'ime afere a. Let's see them in sentences. Sentence number 1A says, cup is inside the plate. Or say that, class. Cup is inside the plate. Can I ask you a question? Is this cup inside a bucket? No. Cup is inside the plate. Let's see it in Igbo. Number 1B says, iko dị n'ime afere. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Iko dị n'ime afere. Ndị klas a ka m jụọ unu. Iko a ọ dị na enu okpokoro? Mba. Iko dị n'ime afere. N'ime, inside. Second example. You can see this building and you can see a person standing inside. This person is called Eze. Or say Eze. Sentence number 2A says, Eze nọ n'ime ụlọ ha. Mmadụ niile kwuo ya. Eze nọ n'ime ụlọ ha. Ị ga-ahụ na ebe eze nọ bụ n'ime. N'ime ebe, ime ụlọ ha. Let's see it in English. 2B says, Eze is inside their house. Class, repeat after me. Eze is inside their house. Let me ask you a question. Is Eze outside their house? Class. No. Eze is inside their house. Eze nọ n'ime ụlọ ha. Like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more. Bye.